Vick Hope's life in Hackney is a fascinating blend of personal and professional achievements. Married to renowned DJ and producer Calvin Harris, Hope has made headlines not only for her high-profile relationship but also for her impressive academic and career accomplishments. She holds a degree from Cambridge University, reflecting her dedication to education and intellectual growth. In addition to her academic and media career, Hope has a deep love of nature, often sharing her passion for the environment through various platforms. Living in Hackney, she enjoys the vibrant cultural scene while embracing her commitment to sustainability. Hope's multifaceted life, from her marriage to Harris to her academic background and environmental advocacy, paints a picture of a dynamic and inspiring individual.